I hung the chandeliers in the trap, boy. Double M, Trey, what up?
Me against the world, got it from above. Now I'm on my own shit. It was an ocean. I'm feeling the tech, tell them that the king of it back. Stable is something I'm not, you better not think to a text. No feelings to catch, dreams get cut, better relax. No vacation, they get you packed, ain't nothing fixing this fact. I was in a state of mind of somebody who probably finna trip. I wanted a piece of mind, but it got up and dipped.
You're killing it, G! You're killing it!
So you power minus the surge with this demonstration of courage. No words of spasm. Here to kick it for the real, and there's nothing you has been. For everything they ever done, my heart colder than aspirin. Why they make a Billy sleep overdosing on aspirin? Sick of people stopping and knocking, but still they jock when it's popping. That chopper work when it's on me. Popping and locking right off in traffic. I'm hopping that hatred up through adoption. About to be relocated, play with me, it can't be no option.
But that shit looks nice though, right?
Bottom, so it's been a long trip. I had a lot of niggas, now I'm on my own shit. Had a few hoes, but they wasn't on shit. You know I had a lot of wins, a couple L's. The money come, it never fails. You know it's all good when the money gone. You see the real, they switching up. It never fails, but still it's all good.
Never ran from the opposition. Every opportunity I get the bomb, I'm a bomb on a pussy nigga. If you count pockets, niggas better watch mine. Big money, get pussy, let me watch shine. 6 niggas